Okay, so if you can factorize and solve this quadratic, go for it. If not, well, pause it and then go for it and then play and see if you're doing it right. If not, carry on watching. Now, I did mention this in the last video, that in these ones you could do this two ways, but to make life a bit easier, I'm going to try and see, since they're all a multiple of 3, I'm going to divide everything by 3 first of all, just to simplify that. So if I divide that by 3, I'll get 2x squared. Divided by 3, you're going to get 3x. Divided by 3, you're going to get minus 5, and equals to 0 divided by 3 is just 0. So you haven't changed, you just taken a common factor out and shared it all through by that, so you haven't changed the answer at all. Okay, so that still holds. Now, once you've done that, carry on with the process. Times the first term and the last term together, so 2 times minus 5 is going to give me minus 10, and then you're going to break minus 10 into its factors, which is going to be 1 and 10, 2 and 5, and that's it. And then you want to end up with a minus 3, so that means positive 3, so that means your larger number is going to be positive and your smaller number is going to be negative, and you want to end up with positive 3. This is going to give me minus 9, so you don't want that. This is going to end up as a positive 3. That's the one you want. Okay, so I'm going to replace that middle term with minus 2x plus 5x. So let's go for it. So you got the first term stays the same. That's going to be a minus 2x, and we'll call that plus 5x. Minus 5 equals 0. Now note that this is the same as that. I've just split the positive 3 into minus 2 plus 5. Okay, once you've done that, you then go and factorize the first two terms and last two terms. So if I factorize that, what's common in this is 2x. Now 2x into 2x squared, so I just times that by x, and minus 1, and 5 is common in both of those, and that's going to be times by x minus 1 to give me 5x minus 1. Now note, as always, you should end up with a common factor, which is x minus 1, and that is being times by 2x and a positive 5. So now you've gone and, well, you simplified it from here to here, and then you've gone and factorized that expression, and that's going to equal to 0. Okay, when we're solving it, so that means either this linear factor is equal to 0, or this linear factor can equal 0. Okay, so that means x can equal 1, or 2x can equal minus 5, and x would equal minus 5 over 2. Job done.